Hi everyone, it's Ian from QTips. This is just a quick introduction to a new QGIS course I've added to the QTips learning platform. If you go over to qtips.co.za, that's q-tips.co.za, and look in the courses section, you'll see a new course titled Geoprocessing. In this course, I've set up a fictitious development case study using a pre-configured QGIS project. And the idea here is that a developer wants to determine which portions of a site are suitable for development based on three restrictive layers. And these layers are the rivers, sensitive vegetation, and slope. And we'll use this as a practical example to explore some geoprocessing tools in QGIS, including buffering, merging, dissolving, and unioning layers. These tools are used to create both a development potential and sensitivity layer. The development potential layer clearly separates go from no-go areas, while the sensitivity layer combines the restrictive factors to show varying levels of environmental sensitivity across the site. This course is ideally suited to users who already have some QGIS experience. But if you are a new user, you can still follow along and you will be able to complete the different geoprocessing steps. It will also give you a good sense of what is possible in QGIS. So if doing a geoprocessing course sounds useful, go and check it out. Looking ahead, I'm also looking at developing a QField course, so keep a lookout for that one as well. That's it for now. Go check out the platform. Till next time, cheers.